I am Prabha. Today I am going to teach you business studies of class 12. The first chapter, nature and significance of management. Students, in your class 11, you had already studied about business study, but in previous class, you will study about different forms of business organization and different kinds of business. Students, even you think that why there is a need of management? What is the role of management in business organization? So, first of all, I am going to explain you the meaning of management. Management is an art of getting work done from others in efficiently and effectively. In this definition, it said that management is an art of getting work done. That means managers take work from others in very effectively and efficiently. So, concept of management is a process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals work together with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. Students, in concept of management, there is three essential elements. The first is management is a process. Management is a process means management is related with interrelated function. Those interrelated functions are planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. The next essential element is management requires effective performance. So in next element we see that management requires effective performance. So first of all you should know that the meaning of effectiveness. What is meaning of effectiveness? Effectiveness means achieving the target on time is called effectiveness. The next essential element is management needs efficiency. So first of all, you should know that what is the meaning of efficiency? Efficiency means achieve the goals at minimum cost. It means when management achieve its goal at minimum cost, it is said to be efficiency. And when management achieve its goal on time, it is called effectiveness. So in this way, we can say that there is a very strong relationship between effectiveness and efficiency. No business organization ignore any one of them. If any business organization more focused on effectiveness, then it should achieve their target on time. And when any organization more focused on efficiency, it can reduce their cost. So, for a smooth running of any organization, there should be a balance maintained between effectiveness and efficiency. And now, I think you understand understand the meaning of management. The next, characteristics of management. What are the characteristics of management? The first characteristics of management is a goal-oriented process. The first characteristics of management is a goal-oriented process. What is the meaning of goal? The meaning of goal means the aim. Every organization have some aim. So the first characteristics is management try to achieve the goals of organization. The second is management is all pervasive. The meaning of pervasive means present or noticeable in every part of a thing or place. Means management required in every organization. The third is management is multidimensional. It means management work in an organization more than one direction. The first is management of work. Management of work means management decide what to be done in an organization. The second is management of people. It means management decide that who is to do the particular work. The third is management of operation. It means management decide that a particular work is done by which method. So, management is said to be multidimensional. The next characteristics of management is a continuous process. That means management is not a one-time function. Management work continuously. It means function of management which is start from planning and ends at controlling. All the 5 functions planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling is done by the management. The next characteristics of management is a group activity. This means all of we know that organization is always formed by the group of people. A single individual person cannot form any organization. So, management is a group activity. Means by the management, a group of people achieve their goals. The next characteristics of management is a dynamic function. All of you know that business environment is always dynamic. Business environment is always dynamic and management always work with the people in dynamic situation. That means management work in changing environment. The next characteristics of management is an intangible force. No one can see the management or touch the management, but we can feel the management by the performance of any organization. If performance of any organization is good, then management is said to be good. And when the performance of any organization is bad, then it's said to be that management is not good. Students, now you are able to understand the meaning of management, concept of management and characteristics of management. And And one thing more that students, even you think that a school without principal, an office without a boss, or any organization without rule and regulation, what will be the situation? You think about it. The remaining topic of this chapter will continue in next class. Okay, thank you students.